So hey guys, welcome to another video. So today this is going to be a tutorial on how to put your GoPro stick pads to the front of your helmet.
So I can learn
Even though it sounds simple, it's actually not, because obviously the front of your helmet is not straight or anything compared to that. You can never glue it properly without it's wobbling side to side. So what I tend to use is this glue called Gopro, moldable glue. It's the best thing, honestly, I can't even explain. So for this tutorial, all you're going to need is 4 things. So the main thing is going to be your stick pad where you're going to stick to the front of the helmet. The mount that goes into the pad. You're going to need the extension arm to adjust to whatever position you want. And probably the most important thing you're going to really need is Gopro. It's that moldable glue. It's really good. And I'll actually open one and show you guys what it looks like. So open here, and open here. Ugh. So what it is this weird Play-Doh. It literally feels like Play-Doh. And what you do is you mold it into place, put it wherever you want, and this thing literally will stick to anything, and I mean anything you want. I think it's up to 10 kilograms actually, so that's quite good. And your GoPro is never going to be 10 kilograms, it's less than a kilogram. So, well, first thing, what you're going to need is that, but one of the things you have to remove is this glue that comes with it already, this 3M tape, because you're not going to need it. So, what you want to do is completely remove that. Mix this in for a little while. Do that. Mix it for a little bit. Put it around this. Just follow it like that, and obviously one is not going to be enough, so we'll just use another one, and hopefully that should be it. It is not cheap, but it's not too expensive either for what you're needing. So I'll put my Amazon link down below, so if you want to get one you can get it. I think there will be about £10 for the little pack of 3, I think it is, but honestly it's really good. So same thing as I done to that one, mold it into this little paste. And you have this. Even though it doesn't look pretty, after it's all dried, it will actually look exactly like it's meant to look like. So this is pretty much the finished product. So this is my overall helmet. This is the helmet I use the most, and actually I had this helmet but I never, oh you can see my face. I had this helmet but I never use it because obviously, even though I like it because it's tinted, it's quite good privacy, I don't have a GoPro mount, so I can't really use it for vlogging or anything. But on this one, that's my main helmet, and you can see is after that's hardened, after it dried, it does not move whatsoever. But the only thing you want to do is make sure this is properly clean. And the thing is, you can clean this with anything. You can be soapy water, alcohol, it can even be a baby wipe. Doesn't really matter. One thing you want to make sure is that it dries completely. You want to make sure it's dried, because if it's wet, moisture, any moisture on it, it's not going to dry well, the moldable glue, and that might affect its performance in a way. So no further ado is, and then I don't know a bit. So what you want to do is you want to grab, after you put that on, you know, make sure it's completely padded into the mold. Press it in, and that ain't coming off. So then you literally press it down. But before you press it, usually on my other helmets I would put it there. I would put it here, but the only problem with that is there's my ventilation thing there. And obviously I can't put out what you can, but then obviously you're never going to be able to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it underneath it, because obviously you can always adjust it with the GoPro pads. So make sure that's up, close it, and all you want to do, make sure it's central, press it down hard as you can, and that will literally activate the Play-Doh. After that's done, if you want, or technically you can leave this for 24 hours and that's done. That's all good. That's all you need to know. But for, I guess, to look good, you should get your finger and pass it down like that. Pass it down till it's completely smooth. And the thing is, it just looks better. It looks like it was made for it, even though it's not. But if you look at the difference compared to this side and compared to this side, it's a lot better. Same thing here. So make sure it's flat. So you keep going till it's completely flat. Follow the curves of the helmet. That's the important thing, because if you follow the curves, everything will be good. Everything will look good. So same on this side. Make sure it's flat completely. There you go. Just keep going over and over and over, and eventually it will look smooth. So keep going. Even at the top, do the same thing. It's a bit more tricky because obviously you have that little thing there. So what you want to do is push it down so then you can open it. So you know it's going to work fine. There we go. Do your last adjustments. You want to do really doing them now, because after it sets, that's literally, I don't think you're ever going to remove this unless, well, you can remove it with a lot of heat. It will come off, but then you may damage the paint of the helmet, so I will not recommend it. Make sure you put it where you want it to be, and there you go. It's simple as doing that, and after 24 hours it will look as solid as that. And that thing will not move prior whatever. Then, like I said, this is the mountings that you're going to need. It's really simple. It literally just goes in like that, press it down, and then you have enough play to go up or down on it, or even if you want to put it side to side a little bit, you can. But that is my throwing setup for a GoPro helmet. It's really simple. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down below. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Peace out.